days when we go out to eat at restaurants like Chipotle or Panda Express, Josh takes like 50 million straws. So I always have these straws because, you know, Josh thinks that he's paying for this service. He's cheap like that. Instead of buying straws, he goes and takes like 20 of them. So I know it works out well because I don't have to buy straws anymore, but that's not the point. Let's get started. I spilled some of my soda. I am horrible at this. So this is raw honeycomb. So I'm gonna show you. Can you see raw honeycomb? Oh my God, this is huge. This is what it looks like. This is, can you guys, oh my God, you guys can see the paper. You can't see the raw honeycomb, but this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the container. Oh my God, oh, it's so sticky. Did you guys hear that? Oh yeah, baby, here we go. Wax. Oh my God, I'm eating wax. It's honeycomb wax. Ew, it's all in my teeth. Oh, am I supposed to eat this or spit it out? I'm gonna just keep it to the side. My God. That was horrible. Raw honeycomb is like eating wax, like crayons, like a plain crayon. It is literally stuck in my teeth. The honey was good, but the honeycomb part was gross. I cannot believe you guys got me out here eating raw honeycomb. Let's take that away and try something more savory. Pickles. So let's open the pickle jar, okay? Okay. Gotta tap it a little to open it. I'm gonna get it open. Wasn't that easy? What is them? I think Josh got the sweet kind. I hate sweet pickles. They're gross. Oh my God. Josh got the sweet kind. I'm gonna kill him. Next product is pickled carrots. Now I got these at Target. Shout outs to Target. Sponsor this video someday, Target, because I need a coin. Here we go. These really do smell like pickles. I've never had a pickled carrot and I still have honeycomb in my teeth. Oh my God, it's on my gums. If you have braces, don't ever eat honeycomb. I'm telling you right now. Oh, this carrot look funny. Okay, let's try this carrot. This one looks nice. It's so sour. It is so sour, you guys. I'm literally here dying from pucker. says fill the bubbles. So apparently it's supposed to bubble in your mouth. So I'm assuming this will be very relaxing to you guys and you guys will get triggered. So here we go. It really has bubbles. Can you guys see the bubbles? It literally has bubbles in it. So here we go. I'm not really hearing any bubbles. Are you guys hearing bubbles? Let me know in the comments down below. Can you guys hear the bubbles? I can't feel them nor hear them. It's just like a regular Hershey bar with bubble. This is a waste of money. Wait. I'm gonna give it one more try, and I'm gonna try the peppermint one. So here we go. Side note, the chocolate mixed with the honeycomb wax in my teeth tastes much better. Okay, here we go. Can you hear the bubbles? I'm trying not to smack, but can y'all hear the bubbles? Can you hear a bubble? That chocolate is a waste of money. It's good chocolate, but it's a waste of money because I can't hear a bubble. Next up is this wonderful popcorn. For all you guys, I love the holiday times because it's seasonal time at Target. And during the seasons, Target has the best holiday section. They have like these candies from Hammond's and these like sunflower seeds. Oh my God, I love Target's seasonal section. Thumbs up this video if you love Target's seasonal section. Side note, you guys probably won't get through the whole video. I doubt you're watching it. But I love Target's seasonal section. It is the bomb. Oh my God, I love it so much. That's why people can't wait on the holidays, because it's Target's stupid holiday seasonal section making us fat out here when we trying to lose some weight. So I know I've been drooling this whole entire time. Oh my God. This popcorn is bomb. Oh my God. have wax in my teeth, and the wax of the honeycomb mixed with the popcorn is killing me. Ooh. This is a caramel rice cake. Let's see how good it tastes. This is so dry. I can't believe I used to eat these before I got pregnant. They're nasty. Oh my God, it's like suffering through eating bread without butter. Here we go. Oh my God, where did all that dust come from? This is what they look like. Of course, you know where Auntie Shundara got these in. The seasonal section at Target. I'm telling y'all, check that seasonal section out. It is bomb diggity. Oh, girl. Oh my God. I don't like pop. Now we're going to try. Now we're going to try it with some soda. What was that? What was that? Why y'all never told me when you mix Pop Rocks with soda, it explodes in your mouth? I could have died here. I'm through. This ASMR is over. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you would like me to do more ASMR videos, thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye. Bye, you guys. Also follow me on all my social media sites at Chandler